Bitcoin could crash to 77K right now. That's at least what analysts are starting to predict again, as Bitcoin has since dropped from 102K back down to $94,000. And altcoins are getting smashed. So should you be panicking and worried right now? Personally, I believe people are starting to become overly panicked again. It's almost like every week we have to go through the cycle, but we got a lot of liquidation starting to open up back above us towards 97K, even above $99,000. The weekly time frame shows this as well, showing a decent amount of liquidity at 99K, even all the way back almost towards $104,000. Currently, the Duke Index shows that the fear is only at a 37, and historically, the best time to dollar cost average is when Bitcoin is under 30. It's very rare. It maybe happens once, maybe maximum twice a year. It hasn't happened in years already. If Bitcoin drops under 20, that is the absolute best time to dollar cost average. These price points only happen due to a black swan event, whether it's FTX collapsing, Silicon Valley Bank, etc. The best time to take profits is when we're above 80. And you can see every time we hit 80, we get a massive correction. 80, massive correction. 80, massive correction. 80, massive correction. So is 77K possible? Yes, it always is. In my opinion, it has to happen in less than 2 weeks, because once Donald Trump isn't elected, I am expecting, I think the powers that be right now are essentially allowing the US dollar to continue to run higher and higher. And after the election were to occur, we're going to see massive quantitative easing. We're going to see a ton of money printing. The Federal Reserve has never once defaulted on any of their issues. So something's going to break here within the next 2 weeks, potentially the next 3 weeks. And again, we have CPI data coming out next week. We have the PCE report coming out later this month. We have, of course, PCI as well, or PPI as well, later in next week. I think it's the 14th and 15th of January. Something in the next 3 weeks is going to break. Once the dollar drops, guys, once the dollar drops, which, by the way, this is the yearly time frame, looking all the way back to the year 2000. Crypto, the SPX, your stocks are going to start to rip. Personally, I've only been trading Bitcoin for like the last month. If you want to know I'm personally doing my crypto portfolios, make sure you come check this out. Post all my latest info in here. This was during Christmas break, and post exclusive content. Someone that struggles with trading crypto emotionally. Check out the #1 crypto news app in the world, FOMO News. You can get all your latest information on your favorite cryptos like XRP, as well as sort it by any crypto you like, whether it's Render, Mantra, etc., and see what's happening latest in your altcoin market.